Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw L from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the top of his head with an arch curve line across at that corner. Turn it diagonally down and out on the left side. Same as could turn downwards. Curve line out to the left and same as could turn downwards. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of his face. Now inside of his face, I'm going to draw his hairline with curve line across at this upper point. Turn it diagonally down to the side on the left. Turn it downwards at that corner. Mirror that same set of line on the right side. Below the hairline, I'm going to draw his eyebrow with an arch curve line on the left corner and another arch curve line below that. Diagonal line downwards on the right corner to the ending point below and mirror that diagonal line on the left corner. At the outer corner of that eyebrow on the left, I'm going to draw a short diagonal line downwards to the right and another similar line on the left side of that. Below the eyebrow, I'm going to draw his eye with a circular shape at that corner. And I'm gonna thicken that line inside of the eye. I'm gonna draw another smaller circle and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. I'm gonna copy the whole eyebrow shape and the eye shape on the right side of his face. Below the left eye, I'm going to draw his left nostril with an arch curve line right there. Curve line across at the ending point from the left to the right. Mirror that same shape of the nostril on the right side. Below the nostril, I'm going to draw a curve line across at that corner. Turn it diagonally down on the outer corner. Turn it slightly upwards to the outer corner of his mouth on both the left and right. Below that set of line from the left, I'm going to draw the middle line of his lips with curve line across all the way to the right there. And below that, from the left corner, I'm going to draw the lower line of his mouth with diagonal curve line downwards to the right. Turn it to the right with curve line. Turn it diagonally up at the right corner of his mouth. Now for his ears, on the left, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally out to the left right there. Same as could turn downwards. Curve line downwards to the cheek. And inside of the ear, I'm gonna draw a similar set of line at that point. And below that, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape at the side of his face. Mirror the same shape of the ear on the right side. Below his head, I'm going to draw the color of his outfit with curve line across, diagonally down to the middle point on the left right there, and mirror that same curve line on the right side. Below that, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a short line across, short line downwards on both sides, and below that, turn it inwards from both the left and right, turn it downwards, a short line across in the middle point. On the left side of that shape, I'm gonna draw at the lower point a short line out to the left, turn it downwards, turn it diagonally out to the left and downwards, mirror that same set of line on the right corner, a line across from the ending point on the left to the right. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw a small rectangular shape in the middle point right there. And below the zipper, I'm going to draw a line downwards off center to the left, and another line downwards off center to the right. At the ending point below, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape at that corner. Now from the side of his head, I'm going to draw his arms on the left with a diagonal line downwards to the left right there, all the way to his sleeve. And on his sleeve, I'm gonna flare it out at that corner, sharp turn diagonally across to the right on his sleeve, sharp turn upwards at the inner corner, turn it diagonally up to the right, and at that ending point, turn it downwards and slightly to the right, flare it out to the left at that corner, and curve line across to the middle point. Above that, I'm gonna draw another similar curve line across right there, and in between the two lines, I'm going to draw lines downwards along the edge right there. At the edge of his sleeve, I'm going to draw a similar set of line across at that point, and below that, lines downwards diagonally to the left. At the outer corner of his arm, I'm gonna trace the same line along the side right there. And below that ending point on the right, diagonal line downwards to the left, turn it downwards to the side of his outfit. And inside of his outfit on the left, and at the side of the zipper on the left, I'm gonna draw a line downwards below his head, turn it slightly to the right. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw the pocket on his outfit with a tilted rectangular shape at that corner, like that. And below his sleeve, I'm going to draw his hand with curve line downwards on the left, diagonally down to the left, semi-turn to the right, semi-turn back upwards on the right corner, and turn it to the left, diagonal line upwards to the right. Mirror the whole thing on the right side. For the logo on his outfit, on the right side, I'm going to draw a line across at that corner, turn it downwards on both the left and right, a V shape across from the left ending point all the way to the right, and inside of that shape, I'm gonna trace the same V shape at the lower point, short line upwards on the left corner, turn it diagonally across to the right and upwards, turn it downwards. Below the outfit, I'm going to draw his leg with curve line downwards on the left, slightly to the right, flare it out to the left on his foot, semi-skirt turn to the right, curve line across to the right and to the middle, semi-skirt turn upwards in the middle of his leg. In the middle of his leg, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner and mirror the same shape of his leg on the right side. Below his outfit, I'm going to draw a U curve line from the left corner to the right. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.